Microlearning is a powerful technique that involves breaking down information into bite-sized chunks. Instead of trying to tackle large volumes of content all at once, you focus on small, manageable pieces of information. This approach makes learning less overwhelming and helps you retain information more effectively. For example, let's say you want to learn a new language. Instead of spending hours cramming vocabulary and grammar, you can use a language learning app for just 10 minutes a day. Apps like Duolingo or Babbel are designed with microlearning principles in mind. They provide short, interactive lessons that fit easily into your daily routine. By engaging with the material in these short bursts, you reduce cognitive overload and give your brain time to process and store the information. Consistently practicing for just a few minutes each day can lead to significant progress over time. Microlearning isn't just limited to language learning. You can apply this technique to virtually any subject, from coding and digital marketing to personal development and beyond. The key is to break down your learning goals into small, achievable tasks and integrate them into your daily schedule. Incorporating microlearning into your routine is a great way to ensure continuous learning without feeling overwhelmed.